guys had an egg we could borrow?
What?
Use? Do you guys have an egg we can use?
Egg? You want egg?
Yeah, because we're baking something at home.
Okay.
And we don't have one, and we forgot to go to the store.
Nice lady's gonna get us an egg.
Elf. Thank you so much.
Not one, not two, but three.
I hit their car with the skateboard on accident. Don't tell nobody.
You should make a note that says thank you for the eggs. And then put it on the front porch and put thank you so much for the eggs. And then say
I'm gonna die. Say bye.
bye.
No.